In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a mega menu to a site built on Wix Studio. To begin, you will need to log into your account on Wix.com. Once you're logged in, navigate to your site's dashboard. Here you will view various builds in progress. For this tutorial, you'll choose a site that is built on Wix's powerful and versatile platform, Wix Studio. As you enter the editing interface of Wix Studio, cast your gaze to the left corner of your screen. There you will find a plus icon. Clicking this icon will unfold a menu with a variety of editing tools. This detailed menu is where all the web design magic happens, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with its offerings. Next, direct your attention back to the list of tools. Here, you'll need to scroll down until you see the option labeled as Menu and Search. Once you've located it, give it a quick click. This will reveal a broader range of menu options, each with its unique functionality to enhance the navigational ease of your website. Out of all the menu options presented to you, you're going to select the one labeled as Horizontal Menus. In this section, you can add, arrange, or delete menu options by simply dragging and dropping them onto your website, customizing the user interface to best suit your web design needs. After setting up your tentative horizontal menu, it's time to manage it. Glance over your on-screen website, then click on your newly made horizontal menu. From there, an option to manage menu will appear. Remember that managing your menu is just as important as creating it. It allows you to fine-tune your menu, ensuring optimal functionality. Having done that, the next step will be to click on the button labeled Add Item. This option lets you integrate new items into your horizontal menu, diversifying and enriching your site's content. As you're about to see, the possibilities are practically endless. Your final step will be to democratize your menu by adding a mega menu. When you click on the option titled Mega Menu, your mission to enrich your menu is finally complete. The mega menu is a versatile tool that adds incredible functionality and interactive potential to your site, ramping up its user interface. And with that, your menus are not just simply added, but carefully curated and astutely managed. That's all it takes to create a top-quality, user-interactive, and visually engaging mega menu on Wix. Always remember, Wix Studio offers a plethora of tools to ensure your website truly reflects your vision, so don't be afraid to experiment and innovate. Until next time, happy designing!